potato. Waiting this time.
See, she don't start again, yo. She don't start again, yo.
She? Who be she?
Na Saida.
You mean Saida Elewa? Waiting she do this time around?
But that's a girl. She, you know, say, the girl come make her danfo driver boyfriend. Carry am for inside aeroplane. From here to Abuja go buy ordinary kilishi.
You mean say they enter aeroplane from here, go Abuja to buy kilishi where they hungry them?
Now. The one wey even come pay me pass. Na because I know say then they do am so that I go jealousy them money.
No mind them, no worry. Tara, dear. No worry. God will judge them. Just leave them. God will judge them.
Nasaka, make God judge them money o. Make God judge them money o. And I know say the only way God go take judge them. Now if you two carry me for inside aeroplane, go Abuja go buy kilishi.
Back to center.
But Nasaka, why you dey answer me like say I be demon spirit?
Not be only demon spirit. You be real devil spirit.
But Nasaka.
Tawa. Now. If you not be devil spirit, why you go tell me say make I shook my leg for inside competition wey no concern me?
But Nasaka, see because I thought say make you put me for your aeroplane, go Abuja go buy kilishi. Now you come dey call me devil spirit. No be so. I dey very disappointing for you.
Now you sabi.
Saka.
If you want come inside. If you want.
Saka. Bodasaka. You still dey sleep, Uni? Time don dey go.
Tawa.
Kenny.
Wetin you wan do with this bag?
Say you see this bag wey you see for here. Na it dem dey call pikiniki bag. And na me get am. Na all the fine clothes wey I go wear for Abuja Barbish. Na dem dey there.
Tawa. Tawa. Now who tell you say Barbish dey for Abuja?
Bodasaka. Hey, now you know dey for town. Say you no know say the governor of Abuja, he don plant Barbish put for Abuja ni.
Who tell you that one?
Na Saida.
That one na original lie.
Na lie, no be lie. No be lie. See, Saida even show me picture wey dem take for Abuja Barbish on top horse.
Abeg, you manage collect the name of the place?
She telling me wetin be the name of this? I don't know am. Na Badagry Barbish for Abuja branch.
Badagry Barbish, Abuja branch.
Wetin happen?
I wan go peace. I dey come.
Bodasaka, make you no take come back yo.
Saka, wetin do you when you hold chest like person wey wan get heart attack?
See, wallahi, if not be say those laborers for heaven, they never complete the house where I go stay for heaven. In fact, I swear, na now I for kill myself go heaven.
Why?
You don't forget say I promise Tawa say I go carry am go Abuja inside aeroplane.
You mean say I never finish that traffic matter? Okay. Anyway, sha, I don bring solution for you.
Which solution? Back to sender.
Wetin? You dey run?
Why I no go run? No be juju you carry for hand so.
Now, but this juju, this one get NAFDAC number and na straight from Babalawo supermarket. Na here I buy am come.
Sule, which Babalawo get supermarket?
Saka, you know say since when I talk say make we dey rebrand Nigeria, na in all the Babalawo and juju people sef, they don dey rebrand dem juju.
Sule.
Wallahi, Saka, if I lie, make thunder kill all my enemy dem.
Okay, this one wey you hold for hand so, na wetin you dey do?
Hey, you see, this one e fit make person make e disappear from one location go another one.
Sule.
Okay. Where you gonna go?
Where I no go? Where I see e better make I go work, go find money, save money, go buy aeroplane ticket wey go carry me and Tawa go Abuja instead of this rubbish wey you dey hold for hand.
You dey hear my juju? Anyway, Osaka, I dey here. I go dey wait for you.
Boda Saka. Boda Saka. See, I never tell you how are they broadcasting this our traffic to all the jealousy people waiting for our town.
No, you never tell me.
Boda Saka. I broadcasting sote. The oga of all the jealousy people for our area just first like this, just dash me award. Na true. He talk, he say, say I give employment to all the jealousy people, them member.
Employment? How?
Say you no know say, all those jealousy people now, they get something to the jealousy and the gossiping and the, about.
Tell me story.
Boda Saka, say be I do well and you dey proud of me.
Tell me story.
Boda Saka, imagine how that side that they behave when she hear about our story.
Tell me story. Tell me story. Tell me story. Tell me story.
Boda Saka, wetin happen?
Tell me story. Tell me story.
Boda Saka,
tell me.
Boda Saka. Wetin come do you when your body come strong like ice block like this? Kene.
I wan go peace.
Boda Saka, say no be peace you go peace till other time when you go out.
But this my piece, e get part 1 and part 2. Time don reach for part 2 now. I dey go peace.
Peace make you come back here time dey go
Where did you do? Saka, I know say you must to come back for am.
No, a point of correction. I just want am to put fear for inside our mind.
Wait, where you gonna go now? You no go listen, make a demonstration and force for you.
I no dey interested.
See, you go hold it like this. Come put it that put that for your back. You're gonna do in 30 seconds. You don't reach Abuja.
You don finish?
You don't finish.
Boda Saka Boda Saka.
Yes, sweet potato.
Say you no go come back quick in here.
This juju wey you give me so, e get appointment with the owner of that voice wey dey call me so. I go see you.
Okay.
Tawa.
Yeah.
See, I don finally see wetin go transport us go Abuja. But I no know whether you go like am.
Boda Saka, as long as the thing go fit carry me reach where my killing sit and that put. Na so back I say I go like am.
That's very good. Na him be this.
Boda Saka. Na wetin be this?
Na the juju wey go carry us go Abuja na.
Juju wetin? Juju, God forbid you. I know they do.
Why you dey talk say like say na devil I bring come now? Take am.
Bodasaka, juju, hey, God forbid you, I don't want you.
See, Tawa, this juju, if get power, baby say we go vanish and disappear from here, then we go reappear for Abuja under 30 seconds.
Ah, Bodasaka, I no do. I no do. I no dey enter juju transportation yo. I no wan go. I beg, I wan dey go my house. Eh? I no dey go again.
You mean say you no wan go Abuja again?
I say I no dey go again.
Abeg, make we go so that we go buy our kilisi.
Ki wetin? I no dey buy kilisi again, Bodasaka.
Okay, in case you change your mind, me and this juju, we dey here dey wait for you.
Bodasaka, I say I no dey go again. Abeg you be you deaf. I no dey go again no.
Abeg Itawa. Thank God, oh Baba God. Thank God, oh. Now we are forget money to transport us go Abuja, not to talk of say to dey buy kilishi for inside Abuja. Baba God, thank you. Wẹ́rẹ́ ló bá mi ṣe, wẹ́rẹ́ ló bá mi ṣe, ohun táyé rò pé kò ṣeé ṣe, wẹ́rẹ́ ló bá mi ṣe, ohun táyé rò pé kò ṣeé ṣe, wẹ́rẹ́ ló bá mi ṣe, wẹ́rẹ́ ló bá mi ṣe. Tawa, na wetin again?
Kini, Bodasaka. Say you know say my enemies no go laugh me this year.
Yes.
Make I tell you, if na that medicine be the only motor wey go carry me reach Abuja, I ready to be in passenger by fire by force. Bodasaka, oya, make we dey go Abuja abeg. Oya. Abuja by juju, enter with your saying, yo, wale kole. Oya, let's go there. Abuja, let's go now.
Yes. Okay, they go ahead.
Bodasaka.
Yes.
Oga pilot, no be you talk say this your juju, he go carry us reach Abuja under 10 seconds.
You too dey talk.
Oh, why I no go talk? Why I no go talk? Say you don't know, say we don't spend 30 minutes for this your airport.
Wait, okay. Make we try for number 97. Okay? Make we try again.
Oga pilot, you sure say no be engine, oil and petrol. Now you dey worry this your juju.
Oh God, Tawa. Now how many times I go tell you say no be engine oil and petrol dey worry this our juju? Abeg.
Wait, but e go still better make we try push am small. Whether e go work like a motor car.
Oh, Tawa. If anything dey wrong with this our juju, I sure say na the big load wey you put for inside this bag and your talk na im dey cause am.
Bodasaka. Oba Jenyu. See, if na this my load, my pikiniki bag, and my talk you won't blame, your plan no go work, yo. No go work. Oga pilot, you so say no be network failure dey wrong with you.
You be pilot?
Sakau. I hope say you never practice the demonstration with the juju wey I give you.
Why you talk so?
Because if you say you don't practice am, that means to say you don't put your life for reverse without you.
Reverse beautiful.
Because I just realize say na the wrong juju 9 days I can't hand so this one na the right juju.
But that's really wait yo. If na the right juju dey your hand so, wetin come be the work of the one wey dey Saka hand?
The baba wey give me talk say that one the work of the juju na him be say e go make person blind for 21 days.
Yeah, I don't die yo. But that's like why you go dey give me na? Wo take your jeremo say yo.
Yeah. Nah. This thing, it isn't bad though. I would send it to Dangote. Market.
because of you. I for no dey suffer all this 21-day blindness wey I dey suffer so.
Ibo that's Saka. Na how many times I go tell you say I'm sorry?
And make I tell you, make you no get me involved in any useless competition with that your Sadia friend you hear. Because I no go do a lie oh yeah.
I don hear you o Saka. No more competition ni o. In fact, this thing wey happen na im make me know why Baba God no create all finger equal. See, you see her? Saka, where you dey go?
I wan go toilet.
Saka, wait for me make I escort you.
You go follow me go toilet?
Saka, say no be say you wan use style leave me for here.
No be toilet I dey go.
Saka, wait for me o. Saka.
Yeah, go, you go for front.
Saka, Saka, where you dey?
Na here I dey. I dey go toilet.